Number 25 says the graph of the linear function f has intercepts at a, 0, and 0, b in the xy plane. If a plus b equals 0, and a and b do not equal each other, which of the following is true about the slope? Okay, so we need to find out something about the slope. Okay, so what I ended up doing here was I just plugged in a number. Okay, and in order for this and this to happen, we know that it has to be opposite numbers, like the same number but opposite signs. Like one has to be a positive, one has to be a negative, because we know that they're not the same number, but they also have to be equal to 0 when you add them. So a negative plus a positive would equal 0. So I'm going to do something like 2 and negative 2. Okay, and now remember our points are 2, 0, and 0, negative 2 now, because we've plugged those in. Okay, the slope formula, remember, is x. This is x and y, and x2 and y2. The slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If you plug these numbers in, that's y2, so that's going to be negative 2, minus 0, so that's just going to be negative 2, over x2 is 0 minus 2. Okay, so we know that this is going to be negative 2 as well. And what ends up happening is a negative and a negative crosses itself out. So this is just going to be positive 1. Okay, so it's going to be positive 1. So what do we know about the slope? It's positive, A. It's not negative. Cross out B. It equals to 0. No. Cross it out. It is undefined. Nope. It's just A.